guys, it's the back of another video. My hair is whacking. Today we're at Christmas in July. As you can see. Oh wait, can I get in this boat? Yeah, see that boat? There's gonna be a boat show. And guys, if you are here, I am giving away free things. Because it's like a piece of paper that I signed with my YouTube channel name and my name, just my name. And then so guys, I'm starting this new thing. So it's called Take the L or Subscribe. I would rather subscribe if I were you, or else you're gonna be a loser. So guys, if you are here, comment down below if you think this was a dud or not. It's hot, really hot out here. So if you guys want a free piece of paper thing that I did, like I wrote my YouTube channel name and my name, and on the back it says, take the L or subscribe. So I might do the boat show thing. I don't know. I might. So I think this is gonna be the end of today's video. So guys, don't forget, take the L or subscribe. Don't forget, take the L or subscribe. I'm gonna remind you one last time. Take the L or subscribe.